Overdose deaths across the U.S. reached a new record, according to the CDC. And Long Island is not immune. While the number of fatalities escalates, local groups are joining forces to help those who have loved ones struggling with addiction. News 12's Liz Burke reports.
He went from oxycodone to eventually he ended up purchasing cocaine and heroin that was laced with fentanyl.
He had gotten addicted to Vicodin when he had a sports injury.
Story after story told by these Long Islanders dealing with the tragedy of losing a child or other family member to an overdose. They joined organizations, law enforcement, and other groups today to let families know help is available.
250,000 Americans who lost their battle to substance use disorder in a 12-month period. You have to times that by 2, 3, 4, 5 family members in 1 year that are adversely impacted.
Drug overdose deaths across the U.S. have reached another record high, says the CDC, jumping 16% over the past year alone. Opioids were involved in about 2/3 of these deaths.
There's a lot of empty chairs this Passover and this Easter.
And public health officials say the COVID-19 pandemic triggered a mental health crisis across the nation and here on Long Island, with many people trying to alleviate the stress and anxiety through the use of drugs and alcohol.
If we can correct substance abuse, we stop drug dealing. If we can correct substance abuse, we stop domestics in homes. We stop the violent domestic in homes.
Addiction changes personalities, and I'll urge parents, if you're sensing a change in your kid's personality, get involved. Don't think it's just a phase.
No mom or dad wants to wake up and not be able to revive their child.
Liz Burke, News 12, Long Island.
Well, for more information on drug and alcohol treatment organizations and support groups, we have all that on news12.com under numbers and links.